If you searched single-handed sailing techniques, you're basically asking, how do I sail alone without turning it into a stress documentary? Here's the truth. Solo sailing isn't about doing everything faster. It's about doing fewer things earlier and setting the boat up so it behaves. Rule 1. Reduce sail early. If you're thinking, maybe I should reef, you reef. Less sail means more control, and control buys you time. Rule 2. Treat your cockpit like a workstation. The lines you actually use should be clean, coiled, and within reach. Solo sailing punishes messy rigging because you don't have spare hands. Rule 3. Autopilot is not cheating. It's your second set of hands. Even a simple autopilot buys you the 20 seconds you need to clip in, tidy a line, or prep your next move. And Rule 4. Clip in before you leave the cockpit. When you're solo, safety has to be a system, not a vibe. Now let's talk about the scary part, single-handed docking. Solo docking is not about bravery. It's about removing variables. First, pre-rig everything. Fenders out before you enter the marina. Bow line, stern line, and ideally a midship spring line ready to grab fast. If you're setting lines up while you're already in the slip, you're already late. Second, go slower than you think. Slow is maximum control. You can always add a touch of power, but you can't undo a fast mistake. Third, commit to a plan. Pick your approach angle and decide which line you'll secure first. And if it doesn't look right, don't force it, abort and reapproach. The best solo sailors don't save it. They reset. And fourth, use a spring line like a superpower. If you can get a spring line on early, you can hold the boat calmly against the dock with gentle engine power while you secure everything else. Here's the solo sailing mindset that changes everything, one move at a time. Before every maneuver, ask, what's the single most important thing I do next? Do that, then the next. That's how you stay calm. And if you want to learn this without chaos, practice on a calm day. Practice reefing early. Practice approaching the dock and aborting on purpose. Do it until it feels boring. Boring is the goal. Boring means control. And if your long-term dream is real boat life, or even sailing the world, start with the right conditions and the right boat. On GetBoat, you can choose a boat that matches your experience level, or even book with a skipper first so you can watch how docking and line handling is done, then step up responsibly. So the takeaway is simple. Reef early, set up your lines, use autopilot, clip in, pre-rig docking, go slow. And don't be afraid to abort and try again. Solo sailing gets easier the moment you stop improvising.